Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So in this video I'll be discussing how to prepare for UPSC CSE 2025 in the leftover time. That is, if you see, we know that prelims is going to be held on 25th of May 2025 and nearly we have 230 days left. So let us see how to cover the syllabus and clear the exam utilizing these 230 days. The very first thing is, whenever I talk about strategies, I always tell you that we have to know the syllabus of UPSC, we have to analyze the syllabus, we have to know the cutoff, and we have to know which subject is important for this exam, and we have to find the perfect book list, and we have to choose an optional that is suitable for us. So for these things, first dedicate 10 days of time, and in this 10 days, first of all decide whatever optional you are going to give for this exam, and also try to know the book list that will be helpful for your preparation, and also find out the cutoff that is for both prelims and mains. And after that, you take out the syllabus and try to find out the micro topics of the syllabus. So if you see in my previous videos, I have also told you how to decode the syllabus. So if you watch that, you will understand how to decode the syllabus. So after doing this, then you have to start your preparation. Now coming to the point about preparation, as I told, after completing all these things, you have to start the preparation. Every time I tell you to start preparation with NCERTs, but here we are not going to do that. This is because we have less amount of time. And now in this 200 days, what we are going to do is, first we will be giving 120 days for our mains preparation. This is because if you completely focus on prelims now itself, you will clear prelims definitely, but for mains you don't have time to cover the entire syllabus. For mains you will get nearly 90 to 100 days of time, and in that 100 days you can't complete the syllabus. So for that, what we will do is, in first 100 to 120 days, first we will concentrate on mains. So after completing the important subjects in mains, then we will further proceed for prelims. So for this, what you have to do is, first identify the important subjects that are asked in mains, like from which subject you are getting more questions, and what is the weightage of each and every subject, how you have to divide the papers, and how you have to study each and every topic, and which paper is easy for you. You have to identify in which paper you are getting more marks. So for this, what you have to do is, as I always tell you, to first understand the syllabus. So if you see the syllabus, majorly we have subjects like polity, geography, environment, economy, history, governance, international relations, science and technology, world history. So like that, there are nearly 12 to 16 subjects. So for this, what you will do is, as I told, we have to first complete main syllabus. So in this 130 days, after giving 10 days for your analysis, you will be having 120 days. So in this 120 days, try to cover as much as possible, and try to cover all the 4 GS papers. So this is because if you have at least 50 to 60% of knowledge on the syllabus of 4 GS papers, then I think your half of the work is easy when you are going to write your mains exams. So first thing is, what you have to do is, in this 120 days, try to complete at least 50 to 60% of the main syllabus completely. So for this, what you have to do is, as I told, we are not going to start with NCERTs, but here that doesn't mean you have to skip your NCERTs. Here what I mean to say is, you have to read your NCERTs along with the completion of syllabus. For this, first thing is, as I told, you have to identify the important subjects. So here I'll be recommending you to start your preparation with GS paper 2. This is because from GS paper 2 you have polity, international relations, governance, and you will be seeing society. So in this, majorly your important subjects will be polity and international relations. So for this, what you have to do, you have to read your current affairs and your static portion. So majorly this paper is dependent on current affairs. So in order to complete your current affairs, and in order to identify which is important for this exam, the very first thing is, first complete your polity session. So if you complete your polity session in 15 to 20 days of time, then you will understand what is parliament, how many types of bills are there, how this bill will be introduced, who will pass this bill, what are the important amendment bills that have been taken place till now. Everything you'll be understanding everything that is going on right now, and you will also understand how to link that static portion with our current affairs. So first I would recommend is first complete your GS paper 2, that is in October. You have to complete your polity and international relations static portion. After completing this, try to interlink this portion with your current affairs. Like for UPSC, you have to at least cover 1 year to 1.5 year current affairs. So in order to cover that and in order to understand the current affairs, first try to complete polity and international relations in October and interlink this with your current affairs portion, so that at least your 50 to 60% of GS paper 2 syllabus will be completed. And after that, in November, the next thing is you have to start your preparation of GS paper 3. This is because, as I told, current affairs is really important. In current affairs, we will see economy session related news also. So in order to understand that, first you have to know the basics of economy. So in order to be very thorough with the newspaper, first complete your economy session and then choose environment or science and technology, whichever is comfortable for you. Complete economy and after that choose environment or science and technology portion. Try to complete these two sessions in November. Along with this economy and environment or science and technology portion, you have to revise whatever you have studied before. That is, you have to revise polity and international relations portion. This is because you will be reading newspaper every day, and you have to keep in mind that whatever you are learning should be revised every day. Then only whatever you have learned and whatever hard work you have done will be giving you a success. Okay. So then after completing these two papers, go for ethics paper, which should be completed in December. So after completing your polity, like after completing your GS paper 2, GS paper 3, start your ethics portion, and in the meanwhile you have to start practicing your answer writing. This is because whenever you start answer writing practice, your 30% of syllabus should be done. So if you see, we have already completed GS paper 3 portion and GS paper 2 portion little bit. So from that portions, start practicing answer writing and try to rectify your mistakes and try to improve them. This will help you when you are preparing for your mains. So every day you have to start practicing answer writing, and once you have finished your ethics portion, if you have time, then you can go with world history or disaster management. So this is how you have to first completely concentrate on your preparation from GS paper 2, 3 and 4. So once you have done all these things, then at last you have to proceed for GS paper 1. So which is nothing but you have to start preparing for geography and modern history. So after completing geography, then read your modern history, and after completing these two subjects in January, then you have to proceed further for ancient history, medieval history along with art and culture in February. So what I would tell is, in the first 4 months, that is in October, November, December and January, what are the topics that you are going to finish is related to polity, international relations, economy, science and technology or environment, ethics, modern history and geography. All these subjects should be completely finished, and you have to be practicing your answer writing. And also you have to every day read your newspaper, and you have to understand the importance of current affairs, and you have to read previous current affairs also that you have missed out. So till now your mains preparation will be going on, and after that, from February onwards, your focus will be shifted towards prelims. Like first you have to complete your ancient history, medieval history and art and culture syllabus, and after that you have to start preparing for your CSAT also, and you have to start giving your mock test, and you have to completely revise what are the prelims topics that you have completely covered till now, and you have to be rectifying your mistakes. You have to solve previous year question papers, everything. So first what I would suggest is, in the first 4 months, try to complete at least 50 to 60% of the syllabus. At least try to complete the subjects that I have mentioned here, and after that you can shift your focus for prelims. So if you follow this, at least 50 to 60% of your main syllabus will be completed. And along with this, whenever you have started your preparation, every day you have to read your optional till mains. That is, when you are preparing for prelims also, at least you have to give 1 hour, 1 or 2 hours of time for your optional preparation. Otherwise it will be very difficult to cover your optional, and if you give gap for your preparation of optional subject, then you may forget whatever you have read previously. So it is very important to cover optional every day, irrespective of prelims. And also every day you have to do your current affairs, and every day you have to give a mock test, like sessional mock test, or you can give a mock test related to CSAT, or you can write writing answers for mains, or you can practice questions related to prelims. Whatever you find comfortable, please do that every day. Here the main agenda is nothing but, whatever the time you have to utilize it very thoroughly. So if you first understand the priority of subjects, and if you give priority to them and finish that subjects very quickly and understand them, it will be helpful for you. And the book list for all these subjects I have given earlier, and if you want the schedule that you can follow in these 8 months, I'll definitely release that. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.